Yamaha R6. One of the most fastest machines ever made by Yamaha. We'll smoke that stupid Ford any day of the week. I think this is the time where I pass out, so Jax, I need you to hang on to my waist and make sure I don't freaking die. And don't drop the bike, it's the most precious thing in my life.
Transmission. That would not be a good time. Not a good time.
Yeah, boy.
All right.
Do some shit.
Yes, sir. I'll see how she likes a spinny boy, you know?
I think that's really good.
I know, right? Alright, I probably should never do that again with any with low tire pressure. Alright, you ready?
You're just warming them up.
Okay, if I get past 6,500, then it locks me out of gears. So if I'm before 6,500, I'm fine. If I'm at 6,500, I might be fine. If I'm after 6,500, it's over. All right, we'll do, we don't need any more digs. That's probably a good consensus, you know?
Yeah. Same result.
Same result every time. We probably don't even need to do rolls because it's gonna be the same result. Same result as every time.
I think you're better off doing the
I think our last roll I'm gonna do a 50, maybe 40.
Yeah.
Because his bike's just too fast low end and top end.
What's his top speed?
I think around 140.
Oh. That's
that? It's blowing air, you know. Look at it, it's on. So I lost because the AC was on.
AC was on.
The AC was on, yeah. So zoom in on that so they can tell that it's tough.
Passenger.
It was on the whole time. You just couldn't hear it.
Yeah.
You know how it is. All right. What's the consensus?
I don't know what that means.
Who won?
So just in conclusion,
that the 2014 Mustang GT
is slower than the glory and
yes,
amazing power that Yamaha can produce.
so
With an awesome R6.
so the R6 is obviously faster than the 2014 Mustang GT still, even with the stock super sticky street summer tires on it. What do you have to say for yourself?
Fastest one on the group now, so suck it. But
What do you have to say for yourself, cameraman?
Well, I gotta say, I was really rooting for the Mustang, but there was no expectation of it winning, actually.
There was really no expectation.
So,
It was kind of crazy.
Good job.
amen. Yeah. Hey, but you know,
Proud of you.
still, this is the thing. Always
Still
be very
respect the
good.
Respect the drip.
Show me American. Great.
All right. So, God bless Ford, God bless Yamaha, and God bless America.